of elements, part 4, unit 12, textbook exercise. The first, choose the correct answer. First question, if Daubernier is related with law of triads, then Lewland is related with modern periodic law, Hund's rule, law of Octavius, Pauli exclusion principle. Law of Octavius. Modern periodic law states that the physical and chemical properties of elements or the periodic function of their atomic numbers, atomic masses, similarities, anomalies. Atomic numbers. The modern periodic law arranged only in the atomic numbers. The elements in the modern periodic table are arranged in group and periods 18 and 7. The groups are 18, 7 periods, 18 groups. Right. Fill in the blanks. In Daubernier's triad, the atomic weight of the middle element is the average of the atomic masses of first and third elements. The Daubernier triads, the average first and third elements. Second, the noble gases belongs to 18th group of the periodic table. The noble gas occupied 18th group in the periodic table. The 18th is the answer. The basis of the classification proposed by Daubernier, Newland and Mendeleev was atomic masses. In early scientists like Daubernier, Newland, Mendeleev arranged the elements according to the atomic masses. After modern atomic theory only arranged the atomic numbers. Examples for liquid metal is mercury. Match. Triads, Daubernier. Alkali metals, sodium. Law of Octavius, Newland. Alkaline earth metals, calcium. Modern periodic law, Henry Moseley. True or false? Newland's periodic table is based on atomic masses of elements and modern periodic table is based on atomic number of elements. True. Metals can gain electrons. False. Lost electron. All bear the characteristics of both metals and non-metals. False. Mixture of metals or mixture of another element. Lanthanide and actinides are kept at the bottom of periodic table because they resemble each other but they do not resemble with any other group element. True. The lanthanide and actinide only kept in the bottom of the periodic table. Group 17 elements are named as halogen. True. Assertion and reason. Statement. Elements in a group generally possesses similar properties, but elements along a period have different properties. Reason. The difference in electronic configuration makes the element differ in their chemical properties along a period. True. Statement true and reason explain the statement. Answer the following. First question, state modern periodic law. The chemical and physical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic numbers. What are the groups and periods in the modern periodic table? The horizontal rows are called periods. This is periods. The 7 periods are there. And vertical column is group. 18 groups are there. What are the limitations of Mendeleev periodic table? Elements with large difference in properties were included in the same group. Example, hard metals like copper and silver were included along with the soft metals like sodium and potassium. No proper position could be given the element hydrogen. Non-metallic hydrogen was placed along with metals like lithium, sodium and potassium. The increasing order of atomic mass was not strictly followed throughout. Example, cobalt and nickel and tellurium and iodine. No place for isotopes in the periodic table. This is the limitations of Mendeleev periodic table I taught in this video. If you have any doubt, please watch the video. State any 5 features of modern periodic table. All the elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic number. The horizontal rows are called periods. There are 7 periods in the periodic table. The elements are placed in periods based on the number of shells in their atoms. Vertical columns in the periodic table starting from top to bottom are called groups. There are 18 groups in the periodic table. Based on the physical and chemical properties of elements, they are grouped into various families. Assignment: choose, fill up, match, true or false.